So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alifa De Silva and I will be really glad if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And today's video is a really fun video, and you all already know what it is because if you all have watched my previous video, you all will be knowing what video it is. So today's video is going to be reacting to anonymous text part 2. Like when I had uploaded part 1, a lot of you requested that please put the link of the anonymous text on YouTube as well. So I had put that in my previous video. Okay, so if you all are new to my channel, then hi, I am Alifa De Silva, and I am conducting a subscriber month for the month of July. So if you all could go and just subscribe to my channel and participate in all the videos that I planned, and I will be really happy. So yes, and I have got like over 30 plus text, and all of those are really good and really amazing, like बहुत अच्छे text आए. So I'm really excited for this video. Those who have put their anonymous text, thank you so much for giving your time and putting your text here. Thanks a lot. Okay, so I'm very excited for this video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first anonymous text is, what do you do when you're free? Mala पण support कर. Okay, I don't know who is this person. When I am free, I basically watch series. Yeah, I watch series, and currently I'm watching The Bold Type. It's really good. So I watch series, or sometimes I complete my books, like that. कुछ फिक्स नहीं है कि मैं क्या करती हूँ. So yeah, that is the thing I do when I'm free. And मला पण support कर. Yes, I will support you, but I don't know who you are. So, but I will support you wherever you are. I will, because even I need support. So next question: money or loyalty? Easy, loyalty, of course, because if I could get money and if the people are not loyal to me, then they would easily rob my money and go. But if they are loyal to me, then even I am safe and my money is safe and everything is safe. So of course, loyalty. Next, who was your first crush? Robert Pattinson. The pictures, he was my first crush, and he was in Twilight. It's a movie, it has 5 parts. He was in Twilight, and it's a vampire related movie, and oh my god, amazing. If you all have not watched that movie, go and watch it. What are you all doing in 2021 if you all have not watched Twilight? It's really good. I love the movie. I watched that movie thrice just for him. So you know how mad I am behind him. Next, what mood are you in right now? In a happy mood, in a jolly mood, excited mood, because I'm filming my YouTube video. So yes. Next, hi, both are hi. So hi. Okay. Next, Alec Reyes, you're amazing. Please make a video with your mom and dad one day. Also make more videos with your sis. It's fun. I really appreciate you, and thank you. You are amazing too. And when it comes to my mom and dad, they are really camera shy, and I don't think they would ever come in my video because they are really camera shy. So I will still convince them. If they are ready to come, then that's alright, I'll take them. But if your sister, she's having some work, so she's doing that, even I can't disturb her because of course. Next question. Hey Ali, do you watch Dam Fam videos? If yes, who is your favorite person from the group? Any 5 favorite people you like from Dam Fam? I love Dam Fam. I love their videos. All of the Dam Fam members. I love Dam Fam members. And when it comes to favorite 5 people, easy peasy lemon squeezy. First, Ashna Hegde. Second, Sanket Mehta. Third, Manav Chhabra, Mr. Raman V. Fourth, Ashi Khanna. And fifth, Tanzeel Khan. I love these 5. I love. And yes, next, if you get to meet a celebrity, who would it be? I had got this question last time as well, and that time I had said Ashna. So now this time, you already know I want to meet Ashna. But if I will get to meet again a celebrity, then I would love to meet Ian Samuel. The photo is here. His Damon Salvatore. I love, like, his name in Vampire Diaries is Damon Salvatore, but his real name is Ian Samuel. I love him. He's so good. So I would love to meet him. Yeah. Next, if you get to choose between YouTube or fashion designing, what would it be? If I will get to choose between YouTube or fashion designing, I would of course choose YouTube, because I have started my career in YouTube, but fashion designing I have not yet started. Like the course and all of those I have not started yet. So of course I will choose YouTube any day. Next question. Can you make testing viral hacks part 2, please? Yes dear, I will surely make part 2. Actually I did part 1 because I was not knowing if you people will love it or no. That's why I did only 3 hacks, because if I will get a good response, then I could do a part 2. That's why I didn't do much in the part 1. So yes, the next question, please. What are you afraid of? Lizard or cockroach? Lizard, God. Cockroach, so I don't get scared, but lizard, even if I see, I get goosebumps. I could just imagine how scared I am of lizard. So please, lizard. Then after that, the second is, if you had to choose between friend or sister, who would it be? Sister, of course. It is my blood, so sister, of course. Then, can you make a challenge video with your sis or if possible friends? As I mentioned, my sister is currently busy with her work, so I don't want to really disturb her. And possible friends, I can't meet them, guys, because first of all it's COVID situations, and I really want to meet them, but I don't know, like, all of them are kind of busy with their admission, because all are going in 12th, so we are kind of busy in our admission thing. That is the reason, but I hope that we meet really soon. This is a subscriber month, so I wanted to request for a video, that is, if possible, can you make a video with your mom or dad? Guys, I really want to make a video with my mom and dad. I really want to, but they are really camera shy. But I will still convince them. If they are ready to do a video with me, then voila, I'll do it. But fingers crossed, I hope they, agree to do a video with me. Next, can you make a video on eating one color food for 24 hours? Yes, I can do that. Thank you for the idea, dear. Then, what do you think, that is school life is better or college? Guys, I didn't go to college yet. Like, I had just gone for like 1 or 2 days. That's it. I have not even seen the entire building of my college. You know the pain? Like I'm in my second year and I have not even seen the building, the proper building, like from inside. I haven't seen. I've seen only one classroom. That's it. Okay, so you all know the pain. So of course, school life is better for me at least because I have not gone to college. So school life is way better than college. I really like your videos. You're really amazing. Please don't leave YouTube. Oh, thank you. It really melts my heart. Thank you so much. And God bless you, whoever it was. Thank you. I'm feeling really good now. Okay, so next. That is, which is your favorite top? Wear it for this video. Okay, so this is not my favorite top. Like, not really my favorite top, but my favorite top is this one. This one, and it's having like puff sleeves. I loved this t-shirt, like Daisel gifted to me, and it's really very pretty. I love this t-shirt a lot. Yes. Moving forward to the next text, that is, if you are really happy in life, then say keep smiling at end of video. If something is bothering you and you want to talk about it, then say take care at end of video. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. God bless you. Thank you and God bless you too, dear. Next, miss you. I don't know who is it. I don't know. Next, are you really happy? If not, don't worry, your time will come. You deserve a lot. Just keep going. Oh, thank you. This is really so sweet. Um, I am happy. I'm really happy and thank you. God bless you. Next, you should try reaction videos. Example, you reacting to famous other videos and expressing yourself. Oh yes, we could do that. Like I had, kind of reacted towards funny videos like try not to laugh challenge. If you all have not watched it, the card is right up here, so you all may go and watch it. So yes, and moving forward to the next text. You should start streaming games live on YouTube. That will be amazing. Guys, I don't play games. I don't like playing games at all. Like earlier, I used to play Clash of Clans and Heyday and lot. I used to play Clash of Clans. Like I was mad behind Clash of Clans, and then I stopped everything. So then I stopped playing games. Also, I don't play games. Next. Hi, what is your end goal? What are your goals for 2021? Okay, so this is a really nice question. My end goal, like my goal of 2021 is to complete 1000 subscribers on YouTube. I really want to do it. Like, it is a dream. I want to achieve it. And if you guys could help me do that, then I would be really grateful. And if you all have not subscribed, please go and subscribe and help me achieve this dream in 2021. Please. Next, what is your biggest fear? My biggest fear is water. I have a fear of water, but I'm kinda trying to, overcome it. So yes. Next question. What's the most useless talent you have? Most useless talent is overthinking. Like it is an inborn talent in me, and I also want to stop overthinking each and everything. I really want to stop, but it is just inside me. I overthink each and every situation of my life so much that I come to a conclusion with a headache. So I really want to stop overthinking so much. So that is the useless talent I have. The next, Ali, you're amazing. Keep going, girl. So proud of you. Always there to support you. Love you. Your well wisher. Thank you. God bless you. Do you like curly, straight, or your normal hair? Do you like short or long hair? I love my normal hair a lot. I like, for a change, curly is okay, but for, if you all could say that for a lifetime, one has one type of hair, then my normal hair, and long or short hair. Like, next, the nail paint color doesn't look good. Okay, these are my nail paint colors. This is the nail paint. Okay, so if you all don't like it, that's absolutely fine. It is your opinion. It doesn't matter to me at all. I love my nail paint colors a lot. The next text. This is the last text. I would love to dress you. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you for dressing me up. And I would love to get dressed by you. And we'll make that happen. Yes. How will I make that happen? Let me tell you. In my next video, you'll need to be active on my Instagram account, because I will be, putting like a questionnaire thing, and y'all have to put whichever like y'all want me to style in some particular colors, like blue and white or green and pink, whichever colors you all want, whichever colors, I will dress like that, like whichever outfit you all want me to wear, or whichever color you all want me to put on, I'll be doing that. So that is the next video. So you all just have to be active on my Instagram account. That is this one, link in description. So yes, and that is it for this video, and thank you so much for all of those who had put these comments. It's really good. Thank you so much for this. And that is it for this video. And if you all love the video, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And guys, please go and subscribe. It's a subscriber month and I want it to be awesome. So, and I'll see you guys next time.